This video is going to go over the Lesson 3 Subjects and Predicates assignment. Before we begin, please make sure that you put your name first and last. So first name, last name, where your name goes. And for your class, make sure that you are putting your homeroom, whether that is 7A, 7B, 8A, or 8B. All right, so now we can begin. Let's take a look at the directions. It says, every sentence has a subject and a predicate, which together expresses a complete thought. The subject of a sentence tells whom or what the sentence is about. The predicate of the sentence tells what the subject does or has. It can also tell what the subject is or is like. So it gives an example. It says subject, sunlight, and predicate. So the whole sentence together would be sunlight, and the predicate is shown through the cracks in the old shed. So the full sentence together is sunlight shone through the cracks in the old shed. The next set of directions, or the next part of the direction, says the simple subject, usually a noun or a pronoun, is the main word or group of words in the complete subject. The complete subject is the simple subject with all of its modifiers. The simple predicate, which is always a verb, is the main word or group of words in the complete predicate. The complete predicate is the simple predicate and all of its modifiers. So here we have the same example that we went over in the notes. So we have the same sentence, the noise of the thunder scared the children, and the first row identifies the simple subject, which is noise, and the simple predicate, which is scared. Second column identifies complete subject, which is the noise of the thunder, and complete predicate, which is scared the children. Okay, now that we've gone over the directions, let's talk about exercise 1. Exercise 1 says, draw a line between the complete subject and the complete predicate. Underline each simple subject once and each simple predicate twice. So my recommendation would be to underline the simple subject once and underline each simple predicate twice before doing anything else. And we know that the simple subject is a noun. And that's going to be who or what the sentence is about. And we know that the simple predicate is the verb, what that noun has or is doing. So let's break this down, make it a little more simple for ourselves. All right, so we're underlining the simple subject once. Oops. Simple subject once, and the simple predicate twice. Okay, so let's take a look at the first sentence. The rolling green landscape glows against its blue backdrop. This sentence is about the landscape. And what it's doing is it's glowing. So I'm going to go ahead and underline landscape once, underline glows twice. And now I need to draw a line between the complete subject and the complete predicate. Remember, the complete subject is the simple subject, so that noun and all of its modifiers, and the complete predicate is that verb and all of its modifiers. So the rolling green landscape is what my sentence is about, and what it's doing is glowing against that blue backdrop. So here we go. I am done with this particular problem and I can move on to the next one. Let's do a couple more together. 2. Mild temperatures keep the lush vegetation deep green. So this sentence is about the mild temperatures, and my simple subject is just my noun. And what they are doing is they are keeping the lush vegetation deep green. So just my verb, my simple predicate is keep. That's my action word. So I need to underline my action word twice. And now I need to draw a line between my complete subject, which is those mild temperatures, and the complete predicate, which tells me what those mild temperatures are doing and all of the modifiers. There we have it. Number 3, regular rainfall keeps the soil dark and moist. This sentence is about the rainfall. That is my noun that the sentence is about. I need to underline that once, rainfall. And what that rainfall is doing is keeping the soil dark and moist. So here we have keeps as our action word. I'm going to underline that twice because it's my simple predicate. And then again, I need to draw a line between my simple subject, I apologize. I need to draw a line between my complete subject and my complete predicate. So regular modifies rainfall. So that's the modifier for rainfall. And then keeps the soil dark and moist tells us more about keeps, what the rain is keeping. So I need to draw my line. And there you have it. So I would like you to finish the rest of exercise 1 on your own. And that will take you to the end of the page. If you have any questions, please let me know.